Beer. It's the drink of choice for millions of adults around the world. It's no wonder that this is a billion-dollar industry. But did you know that millions of liters of beer go to waste during the brewing process? Beer is lost during spent yeast removal, where for every 1,000 milliliters of yeast removed, up to 400 milliliters of this volume is beer, which is wasted.
My name is Craig Groeneveld. I'm a PhD student at UNISA, and the invention that I've come up with is a novel way of saving on water in the brewing process by allowing for recovery of beer, which is quite wasteful in terms of the water that it uses.
By separating the beer from the spent yeast, treating it with ultraviolet and then adding it back to the wort prior to the fermentation steps results in large amounts of beer being recovered. Using ultraviolet light as opposed to heat, pressure, or physical removal is a first for the beer industry. This process is effective in increasing the amount of beer through recycling waste beer without affecting its quality. This can easily be incorporated into current brewing technologies, therefore lowering capital costs. UNISA. Define tomorrow.